Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So normally my mom does the curl unboxing videos, but I'm doing it today. All right, so we have the curl box here. Let's see what's inside of it. Is this what you used to open it?
No.
Oh, it worked. Let's see what's inside. This is what came in the thing. Curlbox. It's this. Curlbox. And this. Okay. It's pink and
look at Avita.
What is this?
I've never tried their curling products.
Fancy. So this is the shampoo. This is the shampoo. It looks like a cream. This is shampoo. There's no smell. Oh, this is the conditioner. That's the conditioner. This is the shampoo. Light moisture hydration. This is the shampoo. It's too tiny, but this is the shampoo. This is the leave-in spray conditioner. This is the leave-in spray conditioner. This is multi-use hair oil. And this is the big bottle shampoo.
So it's two shampoos? It has to be different.
This is a light moisture shampoo. And this is deep moisture.
Okay.
And then we have another conditioner, light moisture.
So that's 6 different products, even though 3 of them are really small. I'm behind the scenes today. My allergies are a hot mess, so therefore I'm a hot mess.
So these are all the products, and they're this pretty pink color, very cute packaging.
And the smell, there's no smell.
There's no
right?
scent.
So I love that.
But you want your hair to be smelling good.
Yeah, but my allergies, when they're acting up, they're acting up.
Oh, so there's literally nothing. I can't smell nothing.
I can smell something in this one.
Barely.
It's very light. It's a very pleasant smell. It's not like overpowering or anything.
But if you want your hair to be smelling good and popping when you walk by, and they be like, smell good. This doesn't have any scent.
And this is this in frame? Okay. I like this Avita.
That's
the
not
July
Avita, that's
2020.
Curlbox.
This is Avita.
Oh.
2020. Okay. So this is what the inside of the pamphlet looks like. Very nice. I like those colors. Really bright, eye-catching, and popping power. So there you have it. July 2020's Curlbox. Thank you, Deja.
Well, that was it for today's Curlbox unboxing. And thank you guys for having me. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Or any other video I pop up in. Bye. See ya later.